Today we are creating a beautiful magic portal text reveal animation where your text appears through a glowing circular portal, almost like it's stepping out of a magical dimension. This effect uses CapCut's magician hoop animation and it works amazingly well for fantasy edits, magical intros, story videos, and creative reels. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your project in CapCut. Tap on text from the bottom toolbar. Now, tap add a text and type the title or word you want to animate. Next, tap on the font tab. Pick a font style that matches the magical theme. Soft, elegant, or cinematic fonts work really well for this kind of reveal. Once your text is styled correctly, tap on the animation tab. Go to the in tab, which contains all the entrance animations. Scroll through the list until you find Magician Hoop. Tap to apply it, and you'll see your text reveal through a glowing circular portal. Smooth, magical, and visually striking. Now let's refine it. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the portal animation plays. Slide right for a slow, mystical entrance. Slide left for a quick, snappy reveal. Preview the effect and adjust until it feels perfect for your project. And that's it. You've created a gorgeous magic portal text reveal animation using CapCut Mobile, perfect for fantasy visuals, magical transitions, or creative storytelling videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing guides.